Do you want your video to have higher brightness, more vivid colors, more light and dark details, and a more realistic and shocking visual experience? Today I will introduce software that can help you convert ordinary SDR videos into HDR, or even Dolby Vision videos with one click, giving you the ultimate visual experience. It is UniFab HDR Upconverter. Not long ago it was upgraded. Let's take a look at its effect. After entering UniFab software, you can see that the software has clearly classified the functions and has a very fresh interface design. Click HDR Upconverter Step 1. Import video. You can see the video types that can be imported. Step 2. Select the mode. You can choose the output specification as HDR10 or Dolby Vision, and the modes are fast and high quality. Finally, select the color space. Here we briefly introduce the color space. DCI-P3 is a color space defined by Digital Cinema Initiatives, mainly used for film production and digital projection. Its color gamut range is much larger than traditional sRGB and Rec. .709, but slightly smaller than Rec. .2020. DCI-P3 covers about 45.5% of the human visible color space. Here are the custom functions of video preview and trim. You can trim your video freely. Finally, adjust the video output parameters as well as the output quality and destination folder location, and click Export. You can clearly see that the brightness, contrast, and vividness of the video have been significantly improved. The overall light and dark details of the video have also become clearer, bringing a more shocking visual experience. UniFab's HDR Upconverter AI function is really powerful. If you enjoy our video, please like and subscribe and let us know your experience with this software. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.